Check out this video I just found. It says you can make $800 by just listening to music. I doubt it's going to be that easy, and I don't want to be a fool. So I want to check this out. And if you watch this video, not only you will learn whether this method actually works or not, but also you will learn our own system that works 100% of the time. It's going to be beginner friendly, no experience or technical knowledge required, can be done from anywhere on the world, and no upfront investment is required. At the end of this video, you can choose to use this method or our method, but you will learn how you can make $1,000 to $5,000 per day from the comfort of your home. 99% of the work will be done by my application Epic that we use to make $1,000 to $5,000 per day. You will get it free from the link in the description. Full disclaimer, this video is not a financial advice and this is absolutely not a guarantee that you will make money, considering I don't know about your current condition. I will show you what works for us and works for thousands of people. And it won't happen overnight, because overnight success is a myth. We all know that. But if you watch this video till the end, I can guarantee you that you will learn how to make a never-ending income online with just 3 minutes of work every day. I made a big promise, right? I'm confident about it because we follow the same system. We know this system works because right now we follow the same system and get visitors from YouTube 100% free using 3 minutes of work with our software Epic, and we make $5 from every visitor we get from our visitors, $5,000 from 1,000 visitors, and we make over $60,000 from around 12,000 visitors from our videos. Epic does the job for us and it will do the job for you as well. Link is in the description. If you want the results of videos but you hate cameras, you hate recording your voice, you hate script writing, and you hate video editing, then Epic is just for you. Epic does everything on your behalf using artificial intelligence. It gives you natural voice over. It writes a script for you. It allows you to make bite-sized videos and then compile them into one long video. So you don't have to go through the tedious process of video editing. And Epic makes videos from copying and pasting free image and free links. I will give you a detailed walkthrough at the later part of this video. All the Epic users get the same benefits. All our users get full access to our videos as well. From inside their user dashboard, they can use our videos as templates and make their own videos using those templates. Epic is free to try for my YouTube viewers. Link is in the description. Go get it. Before we begin, I want to introduce today's sponsor. Our today's sponsor is you. We can confidently say that you will love to be our sponsor because you don't have to spend money to be a sponsor. All you have to do is become a part of our noble mission of helping 100 million individuals and families get rid of their financial distress by earning online. From our sponsor, which is you, we want only two things. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family and social media contacts, social media groups, private chat groups. This is the only way you can help us reach as many people as possible and help them with the right education of how to make money online the right way, the easy way, and the fun way without wasting time, money, and energy. So go ahead, hit the like button and share this video. By the way, if you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as a premium viewer when we upload our next how to make money online video. Let's get started. I saw this video on YouTube and chances are you have seen this kind of videos and promises as well. There are hundreds of thousands of videos that promise different ways to make money online. But why did I stop at this video? Two reasons. First, it promised a good income. Second, it shows all I need to do is to listen to music and make money. This means no extra effort, no special skills from me, which is from you. Now let's see if this video can really make us some money. First, let's see how credible the YouTube channel that uploaded this video. This channel has got over 10,000 subscribers. The video has been up for just a few days and it has got almost 32,000 views the moment I'm looking at it now, and 1,600 likes, which is pretty good. If people have liked it, then it means they love the content and found it useful. This is a good sign, but will you make $800 a day? The title says yes, so let's find it out. In the first step, the video takes us to a website called JP Forever, where you can upload sound files or music files, and when people will listen to your files, you will earn money. The second step, where will you get those music files? You can get song files from another website called Mixkit. It will give you copyright free music that you can download and upload on JP Forever. Seems easy enough. By now it just requires you to download sound files from one site and upload them to another. But is there a catch? I think so. Let's find out the problems. So the problem number one, after 1,000 downloads of your file or your music, you will only make $4 to $7 based on where they are downloaded from. So if you want to make just $100, then you will need to get your files downloaded 25,000 times. To make $1,000, your files must be downloaded 250,000 times. But where will you get these people who will like your music and download them? That's not people, that's traffic, website traffic, and you can't get traffic that easily in 2022. So clearly, this system is not scalable. It's not easy at all. This method is not going to make you $800 a day easily. In fact, it will take you a lifetime to make $800 from this system alone. So what is the right way, the easy way, and the fun way to make money? Here is the thing. Let's go to similarweb.com and check this website's analytics. Check here. This website gets 5.1 million monthly visitors or traffic and 30% bounce rate, which means 70% of the people stay longer on this website. This is a good sign. It means this website must have something good in it, right? Otherwise, why would so many people stay there for a longer period? Let's go even deeper and check the sources of traffic. You can see that more than 55% new visitors or traffic come from referrals. So why referrals? Let's go back and check the site. Check this current profit modes from the site. If you go to the people and ask them and join the site using your referral link, you will get 10% extra of their profit. This is passive income. If they upgrade to premium, your referred people upgrade their accounts to premium, you will make 50% of the account price. That's passive income as well. And if they renew their account, you will earn extra 30% of the account price. This is also passive income. So that's kind of affiliate marketing, but with a much higher commission. The best part is it's residual income. You make money every month without doing anything. More people will join and more money you will make. But there is another problem in this system. After you get your referral link from the site, how will you get people to join through your link? Where are the people? You need people to come and join using your link. So you need traffic to send to your referral link. And if you don't have traffic, you won't get referrals. And if you don't get referrals, you won't make any money in this system. So here is the solution. Get traffic from YouTube, just like us. Make YouTube shorts. Hundreds of thousands of people are making shorts, getting millions of views. These views are your traffic. You can make 30 seconds to 1 minute long YouTube shorts and put your referral link in the description. I'm using my mobile and searching for how to download audio file. I searched on YouTube and these are long videos, and a little down below, here comes the shorts feed. You see the shorts feed? You see the videos? All these are 30 seconds to 1 minute long videos. The first video 1,700 views and the second one 160,000 views. Check for yourself. 14,000 views and 4.7 thousand views. 217,000 views. 184,000 views, 4.9 thousand views. You got the point, right? Now you understand why I'm talking about YouTube Shorts? Because YouTube is promoting short videos these days because Shorts is a new feature on YouTube and YouTube is trying to make Shorts popular to compete with TikTok and Instagram and Facebook Reels. Yeah, Facebook has also introduced a new feature of Reels. Just like YouTube, Facebook is also pushing this feature by putting Watch Reel button on the top of the feed. Since this is a new feature, they are also giving more weightage to this type of videos in the algorithm. This means your 1-minute YouTube and Facebook Shorts or Reels will have a higher chance of getting thousands of views, which means traffic as compared to other type of video or any other type of content or any other traffic getting method. And if you get traffic, you will get referrals. And if you get referrals, you will make a lot of money from this website and from this system. Now you might be asking, what will you make your videos about? Getting a video idea for Shorts is pretty easy. In fact, it's the easiest. Simply go to Google News. Now I'm on Google News. Can you see that on my phone? You can see this Google News on my phone. Now browse, I'm browsing, go to entertainment section, technology section, sports section, your choice. Let's go to entertainment section because there's always something new in the entertainment world. So I found a new news. It says Britney Spears, Sam Asghari lockdown wedding date. The big day has been set 10 hours ago. This is a hot news. And look at this. This is the news. And I searched on YouTube, Britney Spears, Sam Asghari. Look at the videos 10 hours ago, 11 hours ago, and thousands of views. The best part that I'm talking about are the shorts. 16,000 views, 30,000 views, 20,000 views, and 10,000 views. You got my point, right? Most of these short videos were uploaded 1 or 2 days ago, if not hours ago, and already have hundreds, thousands, and even millions of views. Why? Because it's breaking news and people are searching for it. Impactful news. People want to see what happened. Make what happened type videos using my software Epic. Link is in the description. Publish it on YouTube. Get traffic, get referrals, make money. Send your traffic to anywhere you want and make money. Let me show you how easy it is to make videos or shorts using Epic. Click the Create New button. Name your project. Select the type of video you want to create. Find an article that you want to take elements from, copy image URL and paste it right here, and immediately the image is imported. How cool is that? That's how easy it is to import any element to Epic from free links. Just copy and paste. Zoom, rotate or pan a bit to add a little drama in the image. Add a little text here to demonstrate what we are talking about. You can also fetch images from Pixabay, adding another one, little panning and zooming to give it a nice look. Okay, we are done here. Now we need some voiceover. We want to use this text as voiceover text or script. I'm going to add the text here on the video or in this video slide as well, so the viewers can read what we are talking about, and change the settings of the text. Let's change the color opacity of the text, change the color of the text, position the text a little bit to make it nice. Now this text is not ours, so we want to rewrite it and make it our own. So for that, go to text generator and use the AI to rewrite this text. Now we're going to use this text as our voiceover script, and we can upload our voiceover if we have a sound file. We can record it directly from our microphone, or we can use this awesome natural text to audio feature. So click this add button, choose your favorite voiceover from this drop down list and paste the text here. Then simply click this button to create your voiceover by the software. How cool is that? Now go to text to audio section and click add to this voiceover, and the voiceover is added in the video. This is one tiny video that you have created. You can make it as long as possible. You can add as many elements as you want. You have full freedom to change anything you want. Click this add new button to add another video, and these are all our videos ready, done for you to use anytime you want, or you can use blank or use any of our templates. When you are happy with your work, click the render button and the video will be created in the background. And once the video is rendered and ready, you will get notified through email by the software. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online the easy way, right way, and the fun way. In return, we want a simple favor from you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. Also, you can help your friends and family and social media contacts with learning how to make money online by sharing this video with them. Do that and they will love you. They will follow you and eventually they will become your first customers, and they will refer more and more customers to you, helping you make more money. Plus, you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.